How to clean your ears. Method 1. Cleaning at home. Be sure you don't have an ear infection or a perforated eardrum. Make your own wax softening solution, a teaspoon of water or 2 of glycerin. Prepare an applicator, it's optional. Tilt your head to the side. Put the solution slowly into your ear. Allow the solution to work for a few minutes. Drain the fluid. Flush your ears. Irrigate your ears again. Dry your ears. Method number 2. Seeking medical remedies. Visit your doctor. Use an over-the-counter solution. Relax. See a specialist if necessary.